Magic.dev claims it can help you build apps without writing a single line of code. But can it really deliver on that promise? Today we're diving into whether this AI tool is worth your time or just another flashy gimmick. So, what exactly does Magic.dev do? At its core, this platform aims to simplify the app development process by using AI to generate code based on user prompts. You can describe the app you want and it will provide you with a functional prototype. This is great for non-developers who want to bring their ideas to life without diving into the technical nitty-gritty. The user experience is designed to be straightforward. You input your app idea and Magic.dev handles the coding for you, which sounds fantastic, right? However, I noticed that the platform lacks detailed documentation. For someone who wants to understand how their app is built or who might want to tweak the code later, this could be a significant drawback. It feels like Magic.dev is targeting entrepreneurs and small business owners looking to prototype quickly. But there's a lingering concern about how scalable or customizable these AI-generated apps really are. Let's break down some pros and cons. On the positive side, the concept is appealing. If you're not a coder, Magic.dev can help you create a basic app fairly quickly, which can be a real time saver. Plus, the interface is user-friendly for beginners. However, there are notable downsides. The lack of transparency in how it generates code is a big red flag. Plus, the AI might not handle complex requirements well, making it less suitable for advanced users or those with specific needs. Pricing details are also a bit murky, which could lead to unexpected costs down the line. Overall, while it might work well for simple projects, those looking for robust app development might need to consider other options. In conclusion, Magic.dev is an interesting tool for those who want to dip their toes into app development without coding. If you're a beginner or have a straightforward idea, it could be worth a shot. But for more complex projects or serious developers, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, approach with cautious optimism.